Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Freedom Mortgage account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in Freedom Mortgage. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as freedommortgage.com. In my case, it's the first one. And now we are in the official website of Freedom Mortgage. To log into Freedom Mortgage, tap on this login button. And here you will be facing a form asking for your email address and your password. If you don't have an account in Freedom Mortgage, you can create one by tapping on this button, Create My Account. But now we are just trying to log into our account. So go ahead and type your email address in the text field given for email address. And type your password in the text field given for password. You can tap on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your password correct or not. If you don't remember your password, you can reset by tapping on this text that says Forgot Password. And guys, we are almost there. To log into Freedom Mortgage, tap on this login button after you're done providing your email address and password. You will be successfully logged into Freedom Mortgage if your credentials are correct. And guys, that was it. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel TechUp. Feel free to drop any of your questions in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.